Can the ABSLI Assured Flexi Saving Plan provide both guaranteed returns and the freedom to adjust your savings plan according to your needs? Is the ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan the cushion you need or another roadblock in your investment journey? This video will review the features, advantages, disadvantages and returns of ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan using an internal rate of return analysis. With this review, you can make an informed decision about selecting the right investment products for your needs. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. The main features are you get guaranteed annual income which is accrued in your policy at the beginning of each year after the deferment period. An income booster equal to 5% of the accrued amount is added to your policy at the end of each year after the deferment period. Loyalty addition as a percentage of accrued amount is provided at the end of the policy term. As an additional cushion to your savings, the accrued amount is enhanced by a further 10%. You have the flexibility to withdraw money up to the accrued amount. Next, we shall look at the benefits of ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan. First, survivable benefit. After the completion of premium paying term and deferment period, you will receive the following survival benefits during the policy term. First, annual income as a percentage of annualized premium shall accrue at the beginning of each year. Income booster equal to 5% of accrued amount is added to your policy at the end of each year during the policy term to grow your savings. Loyalty addition, you get loyalty addition as a percentage of accrued amount at the end of the policy term. Return of premium, at the end of the policy term, the total premiums paid by you are payable along with the accrued amount and loyalty additions if any. This amount is further enhanced by 10% if all due premiums under your policy have been paid. Next, maturity benefit, it shall be the combination of accrued amount, loyalty additions and enhanced return of premium benefit payable at the end of the policy term. Next, death benefit, sum assured on death plus accrued amount if any under the policy will be paid to the nominee, where sum assured on death is defined as higher of 10 times the annualized premium or 150% of total premiums paid till the date of death or sum assured. Next, we shall analyze the advantages and disadvantages of ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan. Advantages: to enhance your risk coverage during the policy term, you can add riders for a nominal extra cost. You can take a loan against your policy with the maximum loan amount being 85% of surrender value. Flexibility to accumulate the annual income and withdraw the accrued amount partially or fully anytime during the policy or withdraw as and when due. Next, disadvantages: the sum assured is insufficient to cover the family's basic future needs. The returns are relatively low. Next, we are moving into the calculation part. Before investing in any product, it is wise to estimate the potential returns. We will calculate the returns of ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan to gain better insights and assess its suitability. Let's determine the internal rate of return for the figures provided in the policy brochure. A 35-year-old male invests rupees 1 lakh annually in the ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan. He opts for a 12-year premium payment term and a 26-year policy term with a sum assured of rupees 13.5 lakhs. After the deferment period, he accrues annual income and is entitled to receive the accrued annual income, return of premium and loyalty additions at the end of the policy term. The final maturity value is 35.13 lakhs with an IRR of 5.30% as per the ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan maturity calculator. If he withdraws the annual income at regular intervals instead of accruing it, the returns will be even lower. This rate of return over a long period of 26 years is unfavorable for the investor. Long-term investments should outpace inflation to meet the rising cost of your goals. Therefore, investing in ABSLI Flexi Savings Plan may fall short of generating the required corpus to achieve your financial objectives. Next, we are moving into the comparison part. The returns of ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan are comparatively lower than those of a typical debt instrument. For long-term investments, investors need higher yielding products to ensure they meet all their financial milestones. Additionally, the life coverage provided by ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan is inadequate. Let's explore an alternative with separate insurance coverage and investment option based on the same metrics from the previous example. A pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of rupees 13.5 lakhs cost 15,500 annually. The policy term is 26 years with a premium paying term of 10 years. By choosing this option, you could save rupees 84,500 annually, which can be invested according to your preferences. In the previous illustration, the premium payment term was 12 years, whereas it is 10 years for the pure term policy. So for the first 10 years after paying the premium, the remaining amount is invested, and for the following 2 years, the entire amount is invested. Here, ELSS fund is chosen for investment. The final pre-tax value in ELSS fund is 1.13 crores. After accounting for capital gains tax, the final maturity value is 1.03 crores with an IRR of 10.74%. The significant difference in maturity value is due to the compounding effect, which works best over the long term. This compounding benefit is missing in ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan because it combines insurance and investment. Here is our final verdict on ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan. It offers guaranteed returns and the flexibility to access your corpus through unlimited withdrawals. This flexibility, allowing you to withdraw every year or accrue and withdraw partially or fully whenever needed, is the plan's primary feature. It enables you to design cash payouts based on your personal preferences. However, the returns are not up to the mark as they are significantly lower than those of debt instruments, making this plan unsuitable for long-term investment. Additionally, the life coverage provided is inadequate. Therefore, it is better to avoid investing in ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan due to its low returns and insufficient life coverage. Life coverage is a crucial aspect of personal finance, better served by a pure term life insurance policy. To achieve your goals and adapt to ever-changing needs, you need to build a resilient investment portfolio. Diversifying your investment is key to achieving this. Selecting the best suited product is an essential part of financial planning. If you need assistance in choosing appropriate products, consult a certified financial planner. They can help you select products wisely and build a resilient portfolio. A detailed review of ABSLI Assured Flexi Savings Plan is available as a blog post on our website. Check the link in the description.
Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.